what are you doing?
It's loading.
What is that? Are you saying cheese, Mr. Cookie Mouth?
What? When this is done loading.
We have some guests here today. There's the Clemson graduate, Caitlin.
It says Whack Xmas.
There's Allie.
Oh, it's really great.
What's that? What'd you say?
Cookies are oozing out between his teeth.
You took his big smile. Don't you get
There's
closer.
Sandy and Terry.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Are you gonna take some video with your little camcorder?
Cheese.
Cheese. Anything else you want to say?
Cheese.
Oh, now you're taking video with through your nose.
A Christmas flight Santa.
Where is Santa?
No, this is a different one.
Okay.
It's a game.
Cheese. 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 I've never seen anyone record through their nose.